What's up, everybody? It's Sully Man Vlogs again, and today we're gonna do a couple of things. I'm going around town, handle a couple of errands, and gonna go pick these stickers up that I got for the car. I'm probably gonna put them on today, but before we get started, we're gonna do a quick startup. We'll do a little cold start. Alright guys, I just want to let you know that I did put my mufflers back on my car, so it's going to be a little quieter than it usually is, but I'll probably be taking my mufflers back off soon, like maybe when I go to an event or something like that. I just usually like to put them back on for when I'm around town for a while, because it's extremely loud and I don't want to disturb people, so yeah, I'll probably take them off. So alright guys, I just picked the stickers up and I'm loving them. They look real good, so I'm gonna put them on today probably, and I'll show you guys all that. But for now, we're gonna drive over to the gas station. I need some gas as always, so y'all stay tuned. Around town and see, we got the old school car guys out here. We're at Western Sizzling right now. Just chilling. Figured I'd get a little glimpse of that for y'all. Got some nice little cars out there. Alright guys, so we're back. It's another day. Yesterday wasn't looking too good as far as weather and stuff, so I didn't want the stickers to mess up, but yeah, I got the stickers. We picked those up yesterday, and I'm about to put those on right now on the car, so I'm gonna show you guys while I do that. But I got them here. I want to show you guys, let you see what you think of them. Y'all tell me what you think. But these will go on the car in just a minute, but I'm gonna show y'all while I put them on. Let's do it. All right guys, before we get these on, for everybody that might not know about doing stuff like this, these type of stickers is made out of like some 3M stuff, so it's really sticky. So if you mess it up the first time, then it's probably not a chance that you can put them back on again. So you gotta get it right the first time, but always make sure you clean before you do something like this. Clean the glass or whatever, wherever you're gonna put it at. And what I'm using is just, always use this, just either Windex. I mean, if it's glass, use Windex. If it's maybe just the paint on the car or something, use something else like some light alcohol or something. But yeah, we're gonna get started, see what these things look like.